Today I'm going to tell you. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Toronto Bulldogs jerseys in NHL 21. So what you're going to do is go to Creation Zone, create team, go to create team. Now I already made them, so I'll show you how to make it now. Show you how to make them now. So here. So what I'm going to do is put details for Bulldogs for the team name, Toronto for the city name, Bulldogs for the team nickname, Bulldogs for the team play-by-play name, TOR for the Toronto for the abbreviation, Bulldogs Arena, goals use team colors, yes, team prestige, high, American size, large, local fan base, devoted, national fan base, devoted, elite, local popularity, elite, national popularity, high. So, logos and branding. And I make the Bulldogs logo. Here's the colors. That's the main logo. Here's their second logo. Secondary logo. Here's their main logo. Here's their tertiary logo. And here's their main colors. Okay. Home jersey. Home jersey. Want to use jersey style 25. And here's the colors. For jersey logos, you want to use the main logo, use the crest, and the two alternates on the shoulders. The font style, you want to use font style 11. And here's the font colors. For the pants, you want to use pant style 4. With the logo on it. And here's the colors. For the sock style, you want to use sock style 17. Sock style 17. And here's the sock colors. And here's the sock colors. And for the skater equipment, here's the skater. Here's the home helmet colors. Here's the helmet detail for the home jersey. Front numbers on. And here's the glove color. Now for the away jersey. the away jersey style 1. And here are the colors. Here's the Chris logo. Here's the font style 6. And the font color. For the pant style, I want to use the same pant style as the home jersey, just inverted colors. But I'll show you the pant color anyway. For the sock and the tertiary logo on the pants. For the sock style, it's stock style 1 with inverted colors again. For the skater equipment, inverted colors. Helmet decal, tertiary logo. Helmet numbers off. And the glove color, same as the home jersey. And the alternate logo, and the alternate jersey. Alternate jersey. Jersey style 73. Jersey colors. The logo, you want to use the secondary logo. And for the font, I want to use font style 1. And here's the colors. For the pant style, I want to use pant style 13. With the main logo on the pants. Here are the colors. For the socks, you want to use sock style 6. And here are the colors. And for the last, no, not the last thing. I'm just going to go quiet, and then that'll be it. Here are the alternate jersey helmet colors. For decal, primary logo. Helmet numbers on. And here are the glove colors. Okay, one more thing. goal horn. Here's how to make the goal horn. Here's how to make the arena. For the base architecture, we're going to use Pro Stadium 1. For the wall color, just apply team colors by pressing Y Xbox. Same thing. Tunnel, press Y. For the roof color, also press Y. For the scoreboard, use scoreboard 1. For net color, use flag. For the seat pattern, use seat pattern 1. And here's the bottom row seats colors. Here's the top row seat colors. For the seating and rails, here's the rail color. Here's the stairs color. Here's the railing color. For the ice logo, use the 2 alternate logos and the line. For the line, use center ice line style 33. For the center ice logo, use the tertiary logo and use logo layout number 2. For the goal post, apply team color, press Y. Now for the goal horn, go into curate goal horn, go to sounds. For the bass layer, use foghorn 1. For the mid layer, use foghorn 1. For the tertiary logo, for the treble layer, use foghorn 1. All foghorn 1. For the blast, you want to use 3 blasts. The first blast is long. The second blast is short. And the third blast is long. For the goal song, I want to go to rock. No, I want to go to punk rock and use Keep Up. For the wind song, I want to go to rock and use NHL 94 theme 2. And for the power play song, one of you go to the hard rock and use Hit the Big Time. That's how you make Toronto Bulldogs in NHL 21. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!